Just thought while we were parked up here, I could show you we've got anti-flap system from Aussie Traveller, and because we're on a cliff and it's a little bit windy at the moment, and we've been in some windy situations here in South Australia, and everybody else seems to tuck their awnings in of a night time, and we keep ours out and doesn't give us any problems. So we've got the set down here from Aussie Traveller. You can get them anywhere. You can get them in RV Superstore, Ferntree Gully, down in Melbourne. You can get them online. They cost roughly $440 for the set. That's with the centre support as well, and I'll show you how I set it up. It's really easy, it only takes a few minutes. So I've got them all marked.
So that clip there?
Right, that clip there. Just set it up in there, hold on. Is that right in? And you've got to drill holes in your awning roll to support it all. Do it up tight. It slides into a flap, and you lock them in. Get the other three. Lock them in. That's one side done. And the centre pole. So show them the holes that you have to drill. And it just inserts itself in there, tighten it up, and that's it. Before you put them up, you have to put some brackets up to hold the three, what would you call them, the two end pieces in the centre mount. And I'll just show you, I'll just point to them, or put the, okay, so there's a little clip, it's got two screws, and pretty easy to install. Make sure you silicone them afterwards so you don't get any water in your caravan. Also, 3 holes on your awning roll, one at each end and one in the centre. But if you like, you can put more than one support. You can actually put 2 or 3 if you want to, or you can put 2, you know, space them out a little bit and make it less flappable. So as you can see, it's really windy out here, and yeah, and we're hardly flapping at all. It's really, and we're up on a cliff, so, and behind us is flatter than a shit carter's hat. So we're pretty good here with our anti-flap system. Part of our anti-flap system, we always tie down the awning. Make sure you do that because it'll just fold back on you otherwise, and then you can say goodbye to your awning. So if you have any questions to do with this, put them in the comments and we'll get back to you. Also, you know, if you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe. It just helps us out a little bit. Thanks for watching.